In Christianity, there are so many aspects of it, like liturgy and worship, or the scriptures, community life. Nadaming, no? But there is one aspect of Christianity that it seems is not given so much attention by believers. Siyempre, pagdating sa doktrina natin, as much as possible, we perfect them. Kaya nga nagbabasa po tayo, nakikinig po tayo sa mga conferences, seminar, para ma-improve yung doktrina natin. Yung liturgy and worship natin, the Mass, the adoration, our prayers, our novena, para sa atin, almost perfect na natin yan. But there is one thing that is not given so much attention, an aspect of Christianity that I believe is very important, but is not given so much attention by people. That is why parang kulang. And what is that? The aspect of witnessing. Tingnan niyo mga Katoliko, mga Kristiyano. You ask them about their doctrines. Maraming nakakaalam niyan, syempre. Nakaka-memorize ng I believe in God, mga precepts of the church. Marami yan. Liturgy and worship, marami yan. But when you talk about and you ask them, how about your witnessing, especially giving witness to the gospel? It's where many people fail. But in the gospel for today, Jesus specifically talks about testimony, testimonia. And whenever we talk about testimonia, like for example, if you go to the court, the person who gives testimony is what we call, anong tawag doon? Witness. Di ba? Kung tatawagin ka ng husgado to give testimony, ang tawag sa iyo yun is witness. Kaya nga yung inuupuan ng nagbibigay ng testimonya is what we call the witness stand. And in the court, hindi lang yung mga idea ng mga abogado ang pinakikinggan. In fact, ang mas pinahahalagan yung testimonya ng witness, yung saksi. Kasi alam niyo, yung mga abogado, syempre, maboka yung mga, magagaling yung mga yan, alam nila ang mga batas. Pero yung husgado, pinakikinggan niya yung testimonya ng bibigay ng saksi, patunay. And for Jesus, He highlights this importance in the life of believers, witnessing. Kaya nga sinasabi niya dito si Jesus, sa akin, there are so many witnesses who give testimony to me. There is John, there is the works that I do, the Father gives witness even to me, the Scriptures give witness to me. Kumbaga sinasabi ni Jesus, hindi ako nagkukulang ng witness. Yung witnessing sa akin, hindi nagkukulang. That is why, in Jesus, because many give witness to Him, how can you not believe Jesus? Kung ang daming nagbibigay ng testimonya para sa Kanya. And this is the challenge for so many of us, no? Hindi nyo ba napapansin? Lalong-lalo na sa ating mga Katoliko. Well, it's sad to realize, no? Marami ang how do you call it? Parang kung minsan lumalayo sa simbahan. O kung minsan naglalaylo sa kanilang buhay pananampalataya sa simbahan. Alam niyo kung bakit? The scandal of witnessing. Marami sa mga tao, hinahanap yung witnessing sa atin. But when they do not see that, they get scandalized. Like for example, we talk about charity and we become uncharitable. Where is the witness? Well, we can talk about charity. We can talk about the biblical foundations of charity. Madali lang yan kahit magbigay ako ng conference niya about charity. But you see, yung tao is the person talking charitable. Kung hindi, hindi yan maniniwala sa'yo. Mercy. Ilang beses natin pinag-uusapan ng mercy na ito. But are we merciful? Do we give witness to the mercy of God? Lalong-lalo na ngayong panahon ng Kwaresma. We focus on the mercy of God in the sacrifice of Jesus. Pero tayo ba na nag-stations of the cross and then makikiprosesyon, are we merciful also, just like the Father, who manifested His mercy through the sacrifice of Jesus? We talk about generosity. But are we generous enough? Ang dami, no? Ang dami. Ito yung hinahanap ng mga tao sa mundo. Hindi lang sa simbahan, kundi sa mga taong simbahan at sa mga nananampalataya, sa mga nananalig kay Jesus. They are looking for the witness. Where is the witness of this person? Where is that witnessing? Kung kulang o wala, we become the reasons people turn away or turn their back on God and the church. Bakit? Kulang tayo ng testimonya. Kulang tayo ng witnessing. Kaya kung minsan, nakakalungkot kung minsan, no, dami mong naririnig, ang gaganda ng mga sinasabi. But you look at the witnessing, wala naman. Wala. He always talks about mercy. Hindi naman siya merciful. Talks about charity, uncharitable naman. Talks about generosity, napakadamot naman. Talks about humility, abay mo, pagmataas naman. Binababa ang ibang tao. You see, if Jesus highlights the importance of witnessing in the gospel, ibig sabihin yun, para sa kanya, napakahalaga yun. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, maganda siguro na as we go on with this season of Lent, maganda na tanungin din natin, how is my witnessing? Comparing to my prayer life, to my scriptural life, to my community life, how is my witnessing to the gospel? Am I a witness, a credible witness of Jesus? Am I a credible witness of the teachings of the gospel? Sa mga kapatid ko, ako ba ay isang living testimony of Jesus? Yun ang pinakamaganda, no? Am I a living witness? Am I a living testimony of Jesus in my family, in the workplace, in the church, in the parish, or not? At the end of the day, kahit perpektuhin mo ang doktrina mo, you attend all these liturgical celebrations, but if you lack witnessing, kulang. We all stand. In Christianity, there are so many aspects of it, like liturgy and worship, or the scriptures, community life. Nadaming, no? But there is one aspect of Christianity that it seems is not given so much attention by believers. Siyempre, pagdating sa doktrina natin, as much as possible, we perfect them. Kaya nga nagbabasa po tayo, nakikinig po tayo sa mga conferences, seminar, para ma-improve yung doktrina natin.